What's going on, everybody? It's your boy named Matthews, back again with another video. Thank you guys so much for coming back over to my channel and subscribing, and make sure you do it if you're not already subscribed, and go ahead and hit the thumbs up button on this video because you're gonna like it. Matter of fact, you might even love it. Just whipped up a new design last night for you guys. With the holidays coming up, you know we got to get them holiday inspired designs, and the very next one at the time of this recording is Valentine's Day. So we got a heart of hearts. This one is going to be a keychain, and exactly what it says in the middle, always and forever. That's how long I'm rocking with y'all, as long as y'all rocking with me. That was kind of corny, but I had to say it anyway. Today's video is being brought to you by NeverDenyMe.com. Make sure you take a look at the website for all your graphic needs. Anything from digital to physical. Let's go ahead and show you guys what we're getting ready to do today. It's a new design that I whipped up last night, and we're going to be stitching it out today on camera for the very first time. So this is what our design is going to look like. As you can see right there, it is going to be on a keychain, and it is like a heart of hearts. So a really big heart filled with smaller hearts with a black background. Maybe I can even change the color of the background, but most likely it will stay black. It's going to be on a keychain. Y'all like the little layout? This is how I'm going to kind of display it on my website. Nice little display. And let's go ahead and make the very first one today on camera. So I have the file already right here on my USB stick. So let's go ahead and load this into the machine and pull it up. So going through the menu, this is what the design looks like when we pull it up on the machine. Saying always and forever. That's how it's going to look. And the reason why the background is white is because we're going to be putting fabric behind there, and that's what's going to make it black as it shows in the picture. So there it is, always and forever, the heart of hearts keychain. So you guys may have heard this phrase already, right? If you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. And that's exactly what we got right here. We already have our stabilizer hooped into the machine. It's already ready to go. We already have our bobbin thread at the bottom. That's ready. What we do need to do, though, is actually change the color of the thread. It tells us that the first color that we're going to need is purple. And I have 3 different shades of purple that we're going to be using today. So let's go ahead and get a close-up on these. This is the colors that we're going to be using. Well, not 3 different shades of purple, but yeah, 2 shades of purple and a pink as well. So it's telling us the first color that we need is purple. So let me go ahead and cut this black out of the machine, and we'll go ahead and load up the purple that we need. And I believe, since I have 2 different colors of purple, I believe it's telling me the first one that I need is actually the darker version of the purple. So we'll go ahead and eject the black, set that to the side for now. Let's load this bad boy right on up. So we just thread the machine like we would any other design. And we're going to start it off with our placement stitch. So we'll throw this down. Thread is already loose. And let's go ahead and tack it on down. So as you guys see right there, it already added the loop. That is what we're going to be tucking under to form our keychain. Nice size patch. Nice size design, I can see that already. Now that we have our placement stitch, what we need to go ahead and do is add our material. Today I'm going to be using a new material that I have not used before. I believe this is called like duck cloth. But any material would do, or I wouldn't say any material, but I've used numerous different materials. Just kind of depends on what you're going to do. So I'm going to be testing this out today. It is just going to be a backer. It's going to be covered up and stuff like that anyways. So let's go ahead and place this over our area, and we'll tack it on down. Just making sure it stays flat and just kind of pushing the fabric down, making sure there's no bumps or clumps. And there you have it. That looks nice. And now we're just going to go ahead and get our applique scissors and cut our design out. All right, so we'll go ahead and pop it out of the machine for now. And I really do appreciate you guys who give me feedback, because you guys might look at me as if I'm a pro, but I'm just going to tell you guys straight up, I am not a pro. I've taught myself to do this, and I'm still learning every time I do a new design, every time I do stuff on the computer, every time I sit here at this machine, I'm learning something new. So I really appreciate you guys who give me your input, who have been doing this a little bit longer than me and who are more advanced, and leaving your feedback and stuff like that. So we just cut it out. Again, it's not meant to be like a perfect circle. There is some ridges because this is a heart of hearts. It's going to be made out of shapes of hearts. So we got our design cut out. And what we're getting ready to do next right here is the pull tab. So as you guys can see right there, the pull tab, that's the part that's going to be on top. So we're going to be stitching the top of this in purple right there to give it some color, so our design is not all filled with black. That's just supposed to be the backer. And this material too, it's a really kind of like thick material too, so I kind of like it. It's going to give our patch, our keychain here, some type of dimension. So let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Technically it's step 3 though. Get to stitching, baby. A nice deep purple color. I think it's going to look nice already, man. I ain't even seen one in person yet. So this is the first time we're stitching it out, as I said in the introduction of this video. So far it looks good. And I just have high hopes that this whole result is going to be a very nice design. And there we have it. So the pull tab is already complete. Let's continue with this design, and it's going to do all the little hearts in the same color. So we're almost done with the first set of colors here. The first set of hearts, as you guys can see. The way I stitched it, I made sure that they don't stitch, you know, too close. That way it's going to make it a whole lot easier for me to cut the jump stitches, because they're kind of spread out. So it's going to be making it a whole lot easier versus having them do, you know, hearts that are right next to each other. You're not really going to be able to get that tiny piece of thread all cut, but those big jumps right there, those are going to be very easy to cut. With the first one being done, let's go ahead and pull this up, take it out. We'll get our scissors and cut our jump stitches. And just like that, we're already done with our first set of jump stitches that we cut. Again, this is what it's looking like at the moment with just our first color, our first set of hearts. So let's go ahead and toss it back into the machine, and we'll throw in the next color. Going good so far. Just working on the larger parts. You see the smaller ones are already done up there at the top. And it's coming out real clean. So far, if you guys like what you see, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button on this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and head over to the website, neverdenieme.com. We even have a web email list that you can sign up for, and I'm gonna be doing some special promos, or you know, maybe even different special type of projects just for the people who sign up for the mailing list. And there you have it, guys. So this is what the design looks like right now. We are going to be adding some words as an overlay right on top of it. And most likely what I'm going to do is allow you guys to actually add your own text into the design, to have it say whatever you want to say, you know, him and her, your name, their name, stuff like that. It's going to look very nice. So we already got the hearts and everything added on there. What we need to do now is go ahead and pop it back into the machine, and we're going to be stitching. The choice of text that I'm going to be choosing for mine is going to say always and forever in white as an overlay on top of the design right here. And this is the outcome, guys, when we added the words. Again, my only suggestion is maybe I could have made it a tiny bit thicker, but by the time I announce this, guys, I'm already going to have the answer for that. And we've already cut out our thing up here. So now what we need to do is actually fold it to the back and tape it down. And it's going to stitch on top of itself, and it's going to go ahead and create that loop. We're going to tape it down. In addition to that, we're going to be adding some fabric on the back. And I got this little piece of fabric with my little tag on it. I'm going to be working on different designs and stuff like that to brand myself. So I'm going to be adding a piece of fabric on there with the website and stuff like that on the back. And let's go ahead and add that right now as well. Just make sure it covers the design. And I want to see if maybe I can get a spot on there where it actually does show the website. Just laying some tape on the edges right here. Again, if you guys like what you see so far, these are going to be on the website, neverdenieme.com. Please do support. This is what keeps me going. Lets me know you guys are watching the videos. You guys are interested in the work that I'm sharing. So if you guys keep, showing love, hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing, dropping comments, why wouldn't I keep these videos coming for you guys? So this is what it's looking like right now on the front. Again, we have our little flap folded over. That is going to be the loop where we're going to be able to add it as a keychain. And then this is what the back is looking like right now. Just taped the branded fabric on the back. And let's go ahead and pop it back into the machine and tack it down. Then we'll be able to cut it out. Very satisfied with the outcome of this design so far. Only suggestion that I would have for myself is to choose a thicker font so you can actually read those words even more. But for our very first try at this, it's definitely going good. I like the way it's looking. Might even be able to hear it pop through the tape a little bit in certain areas. It's kind of tough to see just a little bit because it is a deep colored thread on a black fabric along the back, but we're still getting it done. I'm liking it so far, y'all. We're right at the end. I think it's did a pretty good job. Very first one. Now we just need to toss it back into the machine, and we'll go ahead and put our nice border on the design, and we'll be all done. That nice thick border that I put on this design, man. Looks great. This is actually an idea I had last night at like 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. I didn't go to bed till about 4. But I drew up the idea, converted it, very next day, stitched it out, and there it is. It is now finished embroidering. Anything from digital to physical, guys. NeverDenyMe.com. Let's go ahead and pop it out of the machine and see what we got. Just like that, baby. We're all done. So this is what it looks like up close. I think it came out fantastic. And the font is actually not that bad too. I mean, of course, yeah, I could make it a little bit larger, but it's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Branded on the back of it. It's very thick. And now we just need to go ahead and add our key rings to the design. So let's go ahead and pop one of these on and throw it on our set of keys. Keychains, available now on the website, NeverDenyMe.com. If you guys want one, they're available now by the time you guys are watching this video. Please do support. We got more stuff coming soon. Always and forever, man. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you do hit the thumbs up button before you get up out of here though. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Check this out. I threw mine on the chain though.